Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book, Anatomy of the Ship, about bomb vessel Granado of the 1742 by Peter Goodwin. Peter Goodwin has been interested in wooden shipbuilding since his days as an engineering apprentice. He is now a design engineer and works for an engineering consultancy. Granado was one of the 12 bomb vessels that were built to supplement the depleted bomb vessel fleet at the outbreak of the War of Jenkinson's Year in 1739 and the ensuing War of the Austrian Succession. These small cage-rigged vessels were designed for laying siege from the sea and heavy mortars with their Mendoza recoils. A brief outline of the development of bomb vessels is followed by an in-depth description of the Granado herself and an account of her career. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.